TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, 30 minutes into the trading day. Happy St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, early St. Patrick's Day. And with that in mind, the market's starting off in green territory. You have the Dow up 78 points, trading 24,951. S&P is positive by 9 points, trading at 2756. And the NASDAQ positive by 22 points, trading at 7503. All the major indices up about 0.3% to start off the trading day. Let's jump over and take a look at the VIX before we get into these markets. As we've seen the market increase in price, you have the VIX declining back to almost 1538 currently in the VIX. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Quite an opening bell we saw on all the major indices to the upside. Dow Jones 30 currently trading 24,981. NASDAQ 100 currently trading 7,081. S&P 500 trading 2761. Crude oil declining a bit early in this session. From about 8:30 we had highs, also had highs around 6 o'clock, hanging at about 61.40. Pretty tight trading range, pulling back about 30 cents from that level, trading at 61.13. Gold declining, though. Check that out. Gold up at almost $13.22 as of about 7 a.m. 3 hours later, down about $10 from that price level, trading at $13.1231. And Bitcoin getting a bid after trading under 8,000 early overnight. Bitcoin currently trading 84.64. Other news we have, it's still earnings season. Let's jump over. We have a few stocks with some action this morning on earnings. We'll start it off with Adobe. Adobe, check that out. Not bad, up almost 4%, trading up $8 at $226. Adobe beating estimates by 11 cents. On the flip side of that, you have Ulta Beauty. I say the flip side, it was the flip side. Last night, trading down to $187.88 initially on the news. This morning, up almost $40 from that level. Call it $30 from that level. $216.76, up more than 5%. Pretty remarkable turnaround for that, for sure. Stay tuned. I'll be coming back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. We got swim lessons at 11, Basil Chapman at 12 o'clock, man, Steve Rhodes at 1 o'clock, Dave White at 2 o'clock, and Tom O'Brien wraps up the trading week live from 3 till 4. Have a great Friday, everybody, and stay tuned. I'll be coming back here right now with Tom.
Would you like exposure to the foreign currency markets without any downside risk to your principal? Then consider the Petro Currencies Market Safe CD from Everbank. This 3-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD leverages the performance of 4 equally weighted currencies from these top oil-producing countries: Brazil, Canada, Mexico, and Russia. This CD features a 200% leverage factor, which means that your potential upside payment will be double the currency's average performance at maturity with no cap if the currencies increase in value over the CD's term. And if the returns are negative, your principal's 100% protected. Returns are based on CD performance with no correlation to the price of oil, and there is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. The April 19th funding deadline will be here before you know it. So call 1-855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a division of TIAA FSB, member FDIC.